Hi everyone, we are going to make some chicken rolls, and for that I mixed 2 cups of regular whole wheat atta and 2 cups of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of oil, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, and I'm going to make the dough. And I'm not going to use all this for the parathas, but I need the dough for something else. So I'm going to have some extra, and I'm going to add a cup of water and knead it till my dough is in the middle. It's not soft and it's not hard, but it is just in the middle. And then I place it in the water. I'll let you know how much I end up using, but again, your water may vary depending on your flour, so keep that in mind as you make these. And remember, I'm actually making some extra dough for something else. So I increased the salt by about 1/4 teaspoon, and I have smeared the dough with some oil. I let it sit in the fridge for at least 20 minutes or more, and then work with it. Mine will definitely sit for more than 20 minutes. For the chicken, we're going to, I have 3 chicken breasts that have been cut into small pieces. I've added a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala. So I did a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of garlic, a tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoons of yogurt, thick yogurt, and I'm going to add about 4 or 5 tablespoons of lime juice. And then I'll mix the whole marinade and let it sit for at least 20 minutes. Marinade is ready. It will now sit for at least 20 minutes or more, and then I will quickly fry it on a shallow fry it on the tawa. You can see I have divided the dough into about 8 portions, and one being on the rolling board. And this is one of the ones that I rolled, and I smeared it with some ghee all over. And now I'm going to make a bowl of it again and then just roll it. And I'm going to put it on the tawa. The paratha rest for about a minute, and I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to heat it through for a few minutes. Smear some ghee on it. A little, not too much. Smear some more ghee. And then heat it. We will shallow fry with about a tablespoon of oil, the chicken in a karai, and this will go as a filling in the rotis. At this point, you can see it's nice and golden and it's well cooked. And this we will make a sauce that goes over this rolls, and this is I used 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and now I'll add some salt, some paprika, and some jeera. So I added a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder. Give it a good mix. Our sauce is ready. And I also added, in case I forgot to mention, I added about 2 tablespoons of water to thin it. Sauce, the parathas, and the chicken are ready. We are going to assemble the rolls. One of the parathas and put some generous sauce on it, And I'm going to lay out the chicken, put some coleslaw on it. That's optional. Coleslaw, that's the fresh, the cut coleslaw, which is just the cabbage and the carrots. I'm going to add a little more of the sauce and then roll it up. Carry on making the others. The paratha rolls are ready to serve, and you can use foil and wrap them up in foil to hold to help them hold together, particularly for kids. So I'm going to stuff some of my parathas with shrimp, and I marinated them with some salt. These are just a handful of shrimp. Some salt, some paprika, some haldi, some turmeric, some tandoori masala, some lemon juice. And that's it. And then I'm going to shallow fry them with very little oil and then fill them up in my paratha rolls. I'm not going to dry them too much. This is the most. I'm going to stir fry them and then I'm going to stop and then fill them up in the paratha. So I laid out my shrimps and I put the sauce down here, and then I'll repeat the same process. But note that this one is the egg roll, and I've just taken an egg and beaten it up with some salt and paprika. I'm making an omelette, and we're going to make an omelette roll. Sauce, I put coleslaw on it, and now comes the omelette. And we're going to put some sauce on it, and then roll it up. I will now roll it up. Iftar is ready. I have samosas as a starter. I have the nimbu pani. I have the fruit chaat that I showed you in the earlier video, and I have the pasta with chicken and the different paratha rolls, the shrimp ones, the egg ones, and the chicken ones. And the paratha rolls can also be had, not only be had for Iftar, but also can be suhoor. So make extra. That will save you some time early in the morning. See you later. Like, subscribe, and share.